Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by, and today we will go through the DJI drones. It doesn't matter if you have the DJI Phantom, Mavic, Mavic Pro, Mavic Air or Mavic Mini, because the platform of DJI is always the same. Love it. If you are absolutely beginner of flying with drone, you need to listen up this video from start to the end. In the beginning, you will be scared to press the start button on your drone, but no worries. That's super easy because the DJI app is always following your steps and helping you to always fly back to your home. So here we go. First thing first, grab your drone. We have fully charged battery in and we are going to take our arms and flip them out. And we are going to take off over plastic gimbal cover and also the clamp that holds the gimbal on. Always make sure that your SD card is in, because always I am flying in the sky and where I would like to start recording, the systems warning me that there is no SD card. So you need to fly back home, because without the card you can just exploring the world, but without any footage. So just put it in. So yeah, our drone is ready. Now take a look on our controller. Also make sure that it's fully charged. You just need to spread out, let the arms out and also take our antennas out. You can use your iPhone for live view, but if you wanna have better enjoyment, you can also use your iPad or any kind of tablets. But usually I'm using my iPhone because it's much more easier and yeah. So you just need to plug your cable to the controller and another end to your smartphone. In both of these instances, you just press twice your power button, once quickly and then hold it the second time, and then you will see the device boot up. When you power on your drone, you will see the props all kind of move just a little bit, and also you will see the gimbal move and just kind of finding its center. So no worries, it's normal, your drone is not cycle. When the controller contents with the drone, you will see ATTE mode turns on, and after that it will say ready to go and you are able to fly. But we need to have the DJI application, which is called DJI Go 4. It's the same app that we use for our DJI Osmo Mobile. Okay, so now everything is on and we are connected in DJI Go app and we see an image which is really important. We want to make sure that we see an image. If not, we are going to do our calibration, which is very easy because you just need to follow the steps. It should open it up automatically, but if not, you just need to click on ready to go in the left side, and now it will open the screen again. So from here you can see the third option down, it actually says compass, and there you can see calibrate. Just click on it, press OK, then you just pick up your drone, hold it about 4 feet away from you and spin it around yourself. And now we can see that in the app it changed to vertical. So then from there you can turn your drone vertically like this and again spin around. spin around, spin around. Sometimes it is not working, but no worries, just try to do it again and it will work. Alright, now you can see so many things and icons here, but no worries, I am using my drone professionally few years and I am using just 20% of these icons. So I will show you this basic setting and I think that you will never need the rest. So first thing first, what we need is video resolution. Over there in lower right, you will see a little sliders along the playback button. All the way at the bottom right, I'm going to click on these little sliders in icon and you will see our ISO and our shutter speed. If you are a beginner, you can just click on automatic and after that you are not able to move with the ISO and shutter because now you are in automatic settings. If you are a beginner, just click on it, but if you are not, you can set it on your own. Always try to have ISO of 100 or 2, 3, 400 and the minimum shutter speed is 50. Never go lower, but you can go up. Alright, so yeah, like this, it's great. As you can see, it's easy. But if you don't want to do this, just click on automatic. Next thing we need to do is the white balance. You can set it cloudy, sunny, incandescent, neon or custom. Usually I am using sunny or auto white balance. So the best way is hit to auto white balance. Now the video size. Always try to shoot to 4K at 24 or 25 frames per second. Because I just like that look and it's 4K. It's the best. Style, D-Lock, because then in Premiere Pro you can make so beautiful color grading. But it's up to you. If you don't want to color grade it, just click on the normal. Let's get on the last step in settings and here we have the histogram, overexposed, video caption, grid, center points and so on. And click on the grid, use this one, then click on the center points and click on this one. And also here is a really important thing, which is formatting card. I am always trying to back up all the videos and photos that I made after every flight. And also when I would like to go to the sky, I just click on format my SD card. Alright, so everything is ready. So here we go to the sky. If you want to take off, you can use this button here to take off, but I don't use it. I am going to do my left thumb down right and my right thumb down left, and we need to do it together. And then up the left joystick, which is to raise the drone up, and there we are. We are hovering now, so it is that simple. And if you want to land, all we have to do, just again put the joystick down and wait for it when it's landing sequence and hold it until it stops. Alright, now we are hovering, so if you would like to go more to the sky, just use the left stick and press it up. There we go. Now we are in the sky. Or you can go down, just press the left stick down. And no worries, if you would like just enjoy the view, you don't need to hold the controller and you don't need to press anything because it's hovering and nothing can happen. If you would like to spin around or if you would like to change your trajectory, use the left stick and press it to the left or to the right. Easy. So this is the left side of our controller. Now we are on the right side. If you press the right stick up, your drone is going forward, and if you press it down, the drone is going backward. And left, you go to the left, and right, you go to the right. It's really easy, huh? And now, if you feel that your drone is too far, no worries. It can always find you, because here you have button which is called home button. If you press it, you can go on the string and your drone is gonna be back in a minute. But we will stay in the air for a couple of minutes. If you would like to start recording, at first you just need to click on the screen and it will automatically focus on the subject in the center, or up or down, whatever you want. Then you can click on the screen on record, or you can click on the screen here in the upper left on the controller and you can start record. And also you can stop the recording here. And on the right upper side we have button for taking pictures. So if you like this view, just click on the button and here we go. And it's almost done. We have here the last button. If you want the camera look down, you use this style. This style right here will pitch down or up your camera, so you can make nice top views. If you are a beginner, you just need to practice. But at first, just try to go only one way: forward, backward, left, right, or up and down. If you're gonna be good with that and you're gonna feel comfortable, you can start mix the ways and become better and better and better. So this is it. I hope that you will love it, because this is absolutely different style of view and also of video. So practice guys, and see you in another video.